Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna start taking damaged parts off of this truck, and we'll be discovering what exactly damaged and extent of the damage. Haven't even checked an oil since I bought it, since we brought it and parked it in my driveway. So let's dig into it and let's find out what's going on. Okay guys, so this is another day, and let me show you where we at so far. This is what I have taken off so far. As you can see, door and fender is off. I am actually I was hoping to see a little bit less damage in this area, but it's still doable. I'm gonna have to change this this whole outer shell. Comes as one piece. I'm gonna have to get I'm either gonna have to buy this corner from a junkyard, or I'll just buy pieces from a dealer sells this whole panel as an assembly, as a one piece, and it's not that bad. It's like $300 and something. I'm gonna have to get this little piece and this little piece from a dealer, and I'm gonna attempt to straightening these two pieces, this one and that one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to go to a frame machine. I'm still deciding, but we'll see. Let's keep on disassembling. So the front end is disassembled to the point as far as I need to. So I mean, everything looks really good. My main concern was the frame rail, and from what I can tell right now, frame is fine. I actually jacked up this side close to the opposite side, did some measurements as far as up and down, and both of these sides are exactly the same. So I am really hopeful that there is no chassis frame damage. Okay guys, so this is where we at, and meanwhile I'm gonna start looking for parts. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification button so you get notified every time my videos are coming out. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.